park disease by The Simpsons. They predicted that a disease will spread in 2025 through water. It all begins on a hot day when families visit Springfield's biggest water park. Kids notice their skin feels itchy after swimming, and people develop red spots after playing in the water. The pool feels strangely warm with tiny bubbles, and everyone who swims feels extremely tired, including the lifeguards. The disease spreads fast, with wet swimsuits carrying it home. Rain helps the sickness move to other towns, and drinking fountain water makes more people sick. Swimming pools everywhere become dangerous, and even washing hands spreads the illness. People get red spots all over their skin but feel better for a few days. However, after 3 days, they become very sick again and eventually die. People become scared to take showers, stores run out of bottled water, and doctors work around the clock. Hospitals quickly fill up, and the situation turns into a crisis. Follow for more fictional stories.